Hello, 24th October. Been kind of a slow day. Made my countertop today. Money's getting tight, so I just took an old piece of plywood, pulled off a deck, sanded it down, and put a couple coats on it. Should turn out pretty nice. It's got some character. There's Rocky. He's been out here sleeping. And the other project been working on is mounting the generator up there. Getting ready to enclose it. Made a sliding door so the whole front will open. There's a set of aluminum track on the bottom and on the top, so a door slide all the way in either way. And I'll put some sides on it and some vents in it to keep it cool. Time's running short. Gotta go. See you later. Bye. October 24th. This is my door I just finished making. And go back on the back side of my trailer I'm doing. And yeah, I still got a big mess. But that's okay, the wife still loves me. And I start framing around the door, putting the inside panels in, up on the top. And over on the side. And it'll get mounted on this side with the hinges, and we'll have a set of stairs going up to it to get inside. Getting ready to move back inside tomorrow and start building the cabinets, finishing off that side over there. So see you later. Bye. Morning. It's October 25th. Kind of a slow day. I had some service calls on no heat furnaces. But there's one more unit I got gluing in place down there. Gonna have two taller doors on it. And then the space in the back is this unit that I'm making over here. And I'm gonna put two doors in it. This started out as a 10-foot piece of oak, 6.5 inches. So you kind of rip it down. It's got, they call it 3 good sides. So you got a raw side or a wild side on the end. You cut that off and end up with some good stuff. So this will be glued together, and there'll be 2 of these doors mounted on it. It's time to go. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is my generator box. Got the sliding door in. There's a vent on both sides that has to lock it up. There's a vent on the other side. That's to keep it cool inside. So this just opens up, slides up. There's my generator. The whole door come off actually. That way I can get to it. There'll be a fan on the bottom that actually blow air up. The bottom down there is open, so this can keep cool because it's going to be a little bit warm, so you want all the fresh air it can get. And like I say, the door just slides back and forth. Works good. Gotta go, cutting it short. Bye. This is Rocky here. He's sitting in my seat. He loves to sit in the seats while we're driving down the road. He's a good puppy. He sits up there unless I go crazy, turn the corner too much. But he likes to look out the window. As long as I don't turn the corner too wild, he'll ride 20 miles up there back home. If I get too crazy, he jumps down into his bed. I'm Rock. Rock. Gotta go. See you later. Bye. Morning, October 26th. I'm doing my cabinet face that I'll mount drawers on or doors on. Using the Craig jig. This is a little the blue thing. You clamp them on, and then this drill drills down in, and that's where you get these holes. And then they have special screws. And then this special long driver right here. And then once you're done, you glue it with whatever glue you want. put it together and run the screws in it. And it's actually a pretty easy way to make cabinetry. I used to use biscuits. These work a lot better, a lot quicker. So I'll get this together and you'll see it finished. Gotta go, time's getting short. Thank you. October 26th, till morning time, doing good today. This is the drawer front I put together for the cabinets. There's the door that'd be mounted on it. And this inside edge, to keep it smooth, use a roundover bit on a router. And you just take that and go around the whole outside edges, front and back, and that smooths it up from like a square edge here. So this way it's kind of smooth where you'll be reaching your hand into. And then the doors, they'll just go right on there like that. Put some screws in the doors, and you have a finished cabinet. So that's kind of how to rough make a finished cabinet. Front. Gotta go, time's getting short. Bye.